Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you my favorite DIY peel off charcoal mask. So to get started, the four things you need are activated charcoal capsules, and I use the Nature's Way activated charcoal capsules, which are these. And I use either Elmer's glue or I'll use the Crazy Art one, and then a ceramic bowl and any paintbrush that you have. So to start the mask, I start with 2 capsules of the activated charcoal, and then I just open them and put them in the bowl here. And then I grab some the glue, and then I just pour it onto the charcoal, so like this. And then you just want a consistency that is a little runny but not too much, and just mix all that together. And I like to start with a little bit first and then add more if I need more. So you want about this kind of consistency. So before I apply the mask, I wash my face and then I just start applying it. And then just make sure you don't get it around on your eyebrows or your hairs, because it hurts when it comes off. You can put it wherever you want. I'm just gonna do my whole face. So after you apply your mask, it should look something like this. And then it takes for me about 20 minutes for it to dry, but it depends. And then I'll just be back when the mask is dried off so we can peel it off and we can see the results. So the mask is already dried, so we can just peel it off. And there we go. And then with the washcloth, I just take off the rest. And then your face will feel nice and soft. And after I do the mask, then I put a good moisturizer on, and I use the Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is this one. But of course, you can use any lotion you like. And the reason why I like this mask is because I feel like it cleans everything inside your skin, and it just removes all your blackheads. So this is the finished result. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.